Nyadoth Gatquoth is the daughter of refugees from South Sudan who was looking for help in a support system in San Diego. She found it in a group called Girl Talk.
Having Girl Talk, it's kind of just like, I don't necessarily go to a therapist, but like that's kind of like my therapy in a sense.
The monthly support group is designed for South Sudanese women.
These are women who I see myself in, so it's basically kind of like a mirrored experience when I am in that space. I see people who are me, and I'm able to empathize with what they're going through and sympathize as well.
Girl Talk is organized by United Women of East Africa, or UW East. Sympathy and empathy are just part of what's offered.
They talk about housing issues, they talk about food insecurity issues, and so on and so forth. And so I think what this program has done is expanded what mental health means.
UW East is one of several agencies in the San Diego Refugee Coalition's Behavioral Health Initiative. It's the first peer-based, non-clinical mental health program to provide free, specialized services for immigrants, refugees, and asylum seekers. The program's counselors speak 13 different languages and are all refugees or immigrants themselves.
People feel comfortable to talk to somebody who can understand the culture, who speak their languages.
Dilquaz Ahmed is the CEO of License to Freedom, an organization that's taken the lead on providing mental health services to refugees in San Diego. In the past year alone, the Behavioral Health Initiative has helped over 2,000 people. But stigmas around finding help are still very prevalent in the communities these groups serve. Promised Land is with the Karen organization of San Diego.
For our parents and older generation, they never really get to really think about their mental health when they were in refugee camp, because they really think about survival and stuff. So it's a new thing, you move here to the United States and then it's a different battle, fighting mentally.
Behavioral health specialist Nayamal Wall counsels refugees and facilitates the Girl Talk support group.
I think they're assimilating every day, and even though a lot of refugees from South Sudan have been here since the early 90s, it's still an everyday struggle for them.
The initiative offers one-on-one counseling, educational workshops, and essential resource navigation.
On a weekly basis, I could meet with anyone. I could meet with older adults who don't really speak much English, and I could meet with young women and just help counsel them and talk to them about anything.
And those talks are making a difference for young women like Gatquoth.
I lost a sister earlier this year, and so just having that space to be able to talk about what I'm experiencing and having other South Sudanese individuals who have lost siblings or have lost somebody close to them, and having that safe space to be able to, speak about what you're going through, and just having people with that shared experience, it means a lot, and it's very important to me.
Wall says the Girl Talk model is starting to grow, and more Southern Sudanese women across the U.S. are coming together to talk about their mental health.
We've been able to expand Girl Talk to other states outside of California. There's mostly South Sudanese in the Midwest, so Nebraska, Iowa, North Dakota, South Dakota. So we've been able to reach out to more young women.
And Ahmed at License to Freedom says that's just what they want to see for the Behavioral Health Initiative.
Other organizations can come and take some of the lesson that what works and why this program is successful. It's because it came from the people themselves.
For those worried about seeking help, Gatquoth has a message.
No matter how small your issue is, just reach out, tell somebody, and there's always somebody willing to give you an open ear, and who with open hearts to be able to accept whatever you're saying, and they'll also be able to help you with whatever you're going through.
The Behavioral Health Initiative services are free, and people looking for help can learn more at san diegorefugeecommunities.org. Jacob Aere, KPBS News.